We are opening today CUTETiTOS UNICORNITOS Unroll the Furry Friend. Okay. Wow. What kind of? He's a rainbow unicorn. He looks like he has sprinkles.
Yeah.
And it's a burrito. How cool. Let's see. We got Burrito, Hot Epic. Oh, wow. That's why it looks like Starburst. See? All the stripes. Look at that. Oh, and he has a hot pepper. He is so cute. Look at the glitter ears. You want to wrap him again? Oh, how cute. And look at the little burrito. Wow, we have the cute one. He's so soft. Give a kiss. You like it? Yeah. So we have Starburstito. He looks like a starburst. How cute is he? You see, that's him. Hot Epics. Picante. Wow. Wait, on the back it says something. We have hot. It's a hot, it's a hot burrito. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at the tail, it's blue and yellow. The hair, you want to wrap it again? It matches your shirt. Look, your shirt is rainbow too. Look. Wow, and look at the colors. It's a rainbow. Yeah, just for you. You want to wrap it? Okay, let's see. 1 second. Let's see if we can wrap him and stick it there. I know what you're going to be sleeping with tonight. You're going to be sleeping with this tonight? Aww. She's very happy with it. And we're going to get another one soon. And let's see what we have. But the unicorn is so adorable. And I like the one we got. And it's very nice. So here it is, the Unicornito and Starburst we got. Okay. Say bye. You're happy with it? Give kiss, hug.
Thanks.
Bye.